Buongiorno, buonasera, good day or good evening. This is Larry Aiello. So on a recent trip to Palermo, I visited Za Teresa, or Aunt Teresa's place. In Italian, it would be Zia Teresa. I went ahead and bought some Panelle. They are a fritter made from chickpeas or garbanzo beans, the same bean used to make hummus. You can buy these already made as a street food item from different vendors. Here you can see some prices, about $1.50 for beer. But on this day, we chose to buy them pre-made and fry them up ourselves to eat at home so we can control the quality of the oil. And here they go. I bought 30 of them for €7 and 5 little croquettes, little potato fritters there you see on the bottom right. And here they go. You fry them up in some oil. Che tipo di olio è?
Olio di arachide.
Oh, it's peanut oil.
Yes.
Peanut oil. Very cool. They're going to be delicious. And then you can just put them in between a slice of bread like this, and they're good to go. So if you find yourself in Palermo and you're staying in an Airbnb or have access to a kitchen, that's a way you can have a traditional meal without breaking the bank. Palermo is full of fresh markets. You can easily pick up some fresh vegetables and fruits. There's always fresh fish around. You could buy a bottle of wine for a few euros, and that's a way you can have a great meal. So let me know what you thought about the video. Please leave a comment below. If you could like and subscribe to the channel, it'd be greatly appreciated. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you.